Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Healthy products for Mother's Day and more. BlendJet, the company that pioneered portable blenders, is out with something new that makes the BlendJet 2 even more useful. The Orbiter drinking lid lets you take your smoothies and more on the go and enjoy them without having to unscrew the top. And if you're new to the BlendJet line, you'll be amazed at the design variety and the power of the blender. Find more at BlendJet.com. Meanwhile, with the new Surgeon General advisory on loneliness and isolation that is hitting all ages, one way to help when it comes to older adults is with the ViewClicks digital frame and communication platform. It's smart, easy to use, and makes photo sharing and video conferencing a snap. Find more at viewclix.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.